Got a 2006 Chevy Silverado. I want to be changing out this rear exterior door handle for extended cab. Got a bolt right here and a bolt right here. It's going to be a Torx size 30. This one, it's broke, so let's swap it out. This is like pretty much a minute job. There ain't no cables, no nothing. That's all there is. Now I got these from Advance. Part number is 79107. This will work from, let's see, pretty much from 99 to 2007. Grab your new one, set it in place. Like I said, you don't have to, it ain't got no cables or nothing, you gotta hook up, set it in place. Put your bolts back in it. And that's it, you're done. Now if you're replacing both rears, like I had to, both of them was broke, the driver's side part number is 79100. I got them from the local parts store, Advance. But that's it, we're done. Thanks for watching.